you how to hire a virtual assistant in a best and easy way. In order to hire a virtual assistant, you can sign up to a freelance site that is called Fiverr. I have given a link in the description of this video for best current sign up offer. You can use that. Once you sign up, you'll see this kind of interface, and what you can do is you can type hire a virtual assistant and click on search. So you can see various people offering to become a virtual assistant here. Or what you can do, if you need any specific type of virtual assistant, then you can do virtual assistant for Amazon FBA. You can type that, or personal virtual assistant, whatever your need is, you can click on that and you'll see all of the available services from freelancer. One more thing you can do is you can click on online sellers, so that you can immediately talk to the seller about your requirements, okay, what you need. You can see about their basic, standard and premium plan here, and you can see their the services they provide here, and you can also check about their reviews and rating. So this person have got 25 5-star ratings reviews, and you can read these reviews if they are good fit for your job or not. You can read these type of things that are included in the package, okay. And if you would like to talk to them, simply click on contact me and you can talk to them about your requirements. And if you would like to order their service, then what you can do is you can click on this. You can also ask them for a custom order, okay. They can send you in the message once you start to chat with them, and once everything is okay, you can simply click on continue to check out. An additional service fee will be added, so $5 is their freelancers fee, and $2.25 would be a service fee, so you will be paying $7.25. Now you can enter your card number or PayPal and confirm and pay. So this is one way to hire a virtual assistant to do job for you. So another way would be, you can click on the icon, this icon, and click on post a request, and you can type what you are looking for, your requirements. About your requirements, you can type up to 2500 words here, or if you have already written in some Word file or notepad, then you can simply click on attach file and attach that file at here. So once you do this much, then you need to select the category. So let's wait for some time here. Okay, once you attach file or write your requirement, then you click on choose a category. Sorry, on my net is little bit slow today. And what you can do is you can select business, and you can select the subcategory virtual assistant here, and you can select the delivery time, for how long you can wait for the delivery of your work. You can select that, okay. And how much you are willing to pay for the service, you can write here. So once you do this much and click on submit request, then it will go to pending, and once it is approved, then you will get message here, okay, in this way. And once you click on here, then you can see what they have offered you. There will various people will 30 to 40 offer you are going to get, and you can hire anyone from them, or you can talk to them and then hire them in the similar process that I have shown you previously, by asking them a custom offer, or by going to their profile and buying their package, okay. In that way you can hire the virtual assistant in Fiverr. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, then I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.